Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my day 4 hair. I know it does not look that bad, but it's definitely very sweaty and I have a lot of frizzy pieces which camera might not pick it up. Usually camera makes my hair look better, but that's not the case. I usually don't refresh my hair. I'm just not the refresh kind of person. I'm too lazy for that and I just directly wash my hair. But this video was highly requested, so I just thought of showing you different ways on how you can refresh your hair. It's not black and white. It's not a hard and fast rule that you have to do this and this. Completely depends on your hair. You will definitely get it with trial and error, but I hope this video acts as a guide for you to make better decisions when it comes to your hair. I'm going to show you different types of refreshes based on how your hair is feeling and looking. So I do have different kind of issues in my hair, not issues as such, but different kind of pieces where some are frizzy, some are dry, some have lost its curl but they are still soft. So different kinds of scenarios, and for different kind of scenario I'm going to show you how you can refresh. So I went to the gym in the morning. I had tied a bun. I always tie a bun in the gym, and my scalp was sweating, so I just removed the bun and I let my scalp air dry. You can also use a hair dryer on cool short mode. It should throw only cool air and you can dry your scalp. If you don't want to ruin your hair, you can also use a diffuser and just use the cool short mode and dry your scalp. I just let it air dry. The first kind of refresh is your scalp refresh. Sometimes our scalp feels very sweaty, very greasy, very itchy. So if you're having these issues, then use a dry shampoo, and that is only if you want to prolong your wash days. You don't always have to use dry shampoos. These are only on certain days because we can't really wash our hair every day, right? So it comes in handy, especially if you're a gym girl, especially if you're very active, then dry shampoo is your best friend. I'm using the one by Batiste. I also have the Appetite one. I use whatever I have. I'm not very particular about dry shampoos, but the Batiste dry shampoo is really good. You can just divide your hair. You can just spray it. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna focus it where I am feeling that greasy and sweaty feeling. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a few seconds for it to absorb the moisture. If you have never used a dry shampoo, how a dry shampoo works is it works like a shampoo, but it's dry. You don't have to wash your hair, and it just absorbs all the grease, all the oil and all the sweat, and it makes your scalp feel very cool and dry and fresh. So that's the benefit of using a dry shampoo. So I have let it sit for a few seconds. After that, what I do is I gently rub it all over my scalp, gently shake it actually, so that the white thing it just spreads properly and it disappears. Ever since I've started working out, my hair does not look as good for the entire wash week as it did before I started working out. So earlier I never felt the need to refresh my hair, I would just apply a serum or something to my ends. That's it. That's the kind of refresh I did. I've seen a lot of people wetting their entire hair and then brushing it and doing the entire styling process again in the name of refresh, and that I don't want to judge. That is completely fine. If you have to look presentable, if you have to go on a certain event but you don't have time to wash it, that is fine. But to do it on a regular basis is too much work, and I just don't do it. I like quick and easy fixes, and if you're like me, then I really hope this video helps you. So that was the first kind of refresh. Oh my god, can you see the volume? You can use a dry shampoo to give you volume also, because it's gonna absorb all the grease and oil and get rid of the flatness and make your hair look really voluminous. That's another benefit of using a dry shampoo. So this was the first kind of refresh for your scalp. The next kind of refresh is where your hair is feeling dry. So let's take this hair section. So this hair section has lost its curl. It's looking quite frizzy and it's also feeling very dry. You can take a refresh spray like this. This is by Fix My Curls. If you don't have a refresh spray, if you don't want to purchase it separately, you can make one at home. So just take a spray bottle, mix leave-in conditioner with water, and you can use that for refreshing. Spray it like so, and I'm just gonna brush it through because I had already lost the curls. There was no point of just crunching it. Water is moisture, you guys, so it's gonna reactivate the curl. Can you see it does not look perfect as I did not have a lot of water. This is how you can refresh dry and frizzy sections. One more way to do that is by using a leave-in cream or leave-in conditioner. So I'm again gonna take some frizzy and dry piece. Let's take this piece. It is frizzy and it is also dry to the touch. So what you can do is take little bit of leave-in conditioner or cream, and I'm just gonna add some water to it. I've mixed some water and I'm just gonna run it through that strand. You can just do this with your fingers. You can also use a brush, whatever you want. You can also finger coil. This is looking much better. Another kind of refresh you can do is when your strands are feeling a bit dry, but you don't really want to do the wet thing, you just want to dry refresh. This is especially when your curl pattern is still there, but it's just a bit dry and just a bit frizzy. So you can use a serum or any lightweight oil. I would recommend a serum because it helps you to manage your hair better. It just smooths over the flyaways and everything. So since it's for a small strand, I'm just gonna take one drop and lightly smooth it over that section. You can take multiple sections also. Can you see it's looking much better? Of course it's not perfect because this is not a wash day, this is just a refresh day. Don't expect your hair to look perfect. It's just gonna smooth it over the curls and make it look very shiny and more manageable. You can also take your hair strands and smooth it over your entire curls just to give it a smooth and more manageable look. It won't make your hair look very defined, but it will definitely tame down the frizz. I really like the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. Actually, I have many serums I love. Let me just show you quickly. The next kind of refresh includes using a gel. You can use this method if your hair is feeling soft, the strands are soft, they are moisturized, but they are not holding the curls. So you can use any gel. I personally prefer lightweight gels like this. This is the Dove one. I absolutely love it. It also works as a one and done styler. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. You can use any gel you like. If your gel is very hard hold and not as liquidy, you can also mix some water just for better distribution. I've just taken little bit. I'm just gonna take this sections. Usually these sections for me are very frizzy. They don't feel dry as such, but they always lose their curl definition. So I'm just gonna smooth over the gel over them. You can scrunch, you can finger coil. They anyway don't hold the curls, so I'm not spending much time on them. So that was your another option. You can also take the gel, just like serum, smooth it over your entire curls. That's also an option. I'll show it to you right now. You can do that with anything, by the way. You can also do this with a refresh spray. It really depends on how your hair is feeling. Just because I'm showing you a different method doesn't mean you have to do everything in one go. You can use any of these methods depending on how majority of your hair pieces are feeling. I'm just showing you different methods on different sections just to give you more options. But yeah. So this is what you can do. I really wanted to give a quick shout out to the BBlunt cream. This cream is one of the best creams I have used, especially for refreshes. Even if my hair is dry, I just want to quickly define my hair even more. I just usually take a little bit of cream. I spread it and I just mostly focus it on my ends and I scrunch. And dude, magically it's gonna make my curls look so defined. It just makes it look curlier than it is and also more defined and really nice. So I love using this cream especially for my refreshes. So I have kept it right on top because I may not use it always for my wash days, but for refresh days and whenever I want a quick definition, a quick refresh, then I make sure to use that. Another way to refresh without using any products, this is the easiest way, okay? If your hair is feeling producty, like it feels like it has product, but it's still looking frizzy, it's still looking dull, it still is not holding the curl properly, all you need to do is reactivate the product. So just spray some water. If you don't have a spray bottle, just take some water in hands and just smooth it over. It's just gonna reactivate the product and it's just gonna define your curls without adding any extra product. Because sometimes, right, if you keep refreshing, if you keep adding product, then बहुत build up हो जाता है. You don't want that build up, right? Too much of product is also not good. In those cases, you can just spray some water and also don't spray ऐसे, ठीक है? ऐसे randomly ऐसे मत करो, that will act as humidity and you're just gonna get random poofy frizzy section. Don't do it. If you're spraying water, then spray it on concentrated pieces only, unless you're gonna smooth it over and all. That is a different case. But ऐसे randomly थोड़ा spritz मत करो. That will act as if you just stepped out in the rain. Now if you have curly bangs, especially like mine, if you have looser curl pattern, then you might have to wet the entire section because especially my bangs never hold curl. On the first day they might look good, but on the second day they just go away. So I'm just gonna spray some water on them. Even though my bangs are overgrown, I'm not really my bangs are overgrown, I'm not really wearing them as bangs as such, but they are just the side pieces. Just brush them. I'm not applying any extra product to it. This is it. You can either use a diffuser or you can let it air dry. I wanted to give you a bonus tip. I recently bought this product. This is not a must have and anyone can use it. This is not just for curly hair. This is a hair mist with UV protection and I bought it specially for the fragrance. I read good reviews about it and I'm like, you know, why not? So I bought it. I actually bought it for my Amazon live stream. So if you're not aware, I usually do Amazon live streams almost every week and the topics are different. Sometimes it's skincare products under 500, under 250, hair care products under 500. So depends on the category. So there was a hair care related live stream. So I just bought it just to show in the live stream, and I also thought I'll get to try a new product which I can show in my YouTube videos. So whenever my hair is smelling bad or if I just want my hair to smell good, basically I just spray it. This is a hair mist, so it's also gonna hydrate your hair a bit, and I just spread it and I just smooth it over because I don't want it to create frizz. And it smells so good. It smells like kiwi. I mean, it also says it has kiwi. It smells really good. Definitely worth checking it out. I'll link all the products I've used in the description box below. This is how my hair looks like. Looks much better than how it looked earlier, and I'm definitely gonna wash it tomorrow, but still wanted to make a refresh video for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any more video requests like this, please let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. I'm trying to hit 1 lakh by the end of this year, so please help me make that happen. And I'm sorry, there's a lot of construction going on. And anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video on Saturday. Bye.